We're doing everything outside today. And what is that we're doing? We're making a grilled carne asada quesadilla. I've got the vortex going in my Weber kettle, probably a little less than half full with coals. We're not going to need that much. It's going to be a pretty quick cook. I've got some refried beans that have been heating up on the Weber. Now let's get our flat meat on here to grill to make some carne asada. Doing about a pound of flat meat today, and this has just been seasoned with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and the juice of a lime. We're gonna let this grill up quickly on each side, maybe a minute or two. Flat meat is great to use for carne asada. Other people use skirt steak, things like that. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a turn. Got some nice color on there. See how we're doing? That's looking pretty good. You really don't want to overcook this. Cooks pretty quickly. And also it's nice to leave a little medium rare inside if you can. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this off and we're gonna move on to our next step. All right, I need to get my cast iron griddle heating up on here. And while that's heating up, we're gonna go ahead and slice up that flat meat. Apologize for the light coming through my patio cover. It looks like I have like a slash of light across my face. Anyway, we need to slice this flat meat. You can see the grain runs this way here. You have two choices. A lot of people will cut with the grain, get a little bit more of a bite. I'm actually gonna cut across the grain. Obviously, you get a little bit more of a tender bite. I want to get these into about 1/2-inch strips. Let's take a little taste. Oh, simple seasoning, that's all you need. Slice this one. Guess we have an extra little piece for another taste. All right, our flat meat is ready. Let's get on to grilling up some peppers. I have about 1/2 of a red bell pepper that I've sliced up and about a teaspoon of olive oil on this. I'm also adding about 1/3 of a cup of some green peppers that came from a can. I just sliced them up. Nothing wrong with using stuff from a can if you're in a bit of a hurry. Make sure everybody softens up, get some color. Love that cast iron sizzle. These are looking good. Just want to give them a little sprinkle of salt, pepper, and granulated garlic. Love that roasted chili smell coming off of this. All right, these look good. I'm gonna get these off here and then we're gonna start building our quesadilla. All right, so we have one of our tortillas here. I'm gonna go ahead and spread some of the warmed up refried beans on this base. Get this spread around. See if I can keep it off my grill glove here. And go close to the edge, but not right up to it. That looks good. Let's get some of our flat meat on here. Start laying some of these wonderful pieces here. Crisscross them. That's looking good. We're gonna put some of our peppers on here. And now for some shredded pepper jack cheese. Load it up. Then I want to put a little bit of some fire roasted salsa right in here. Let's go ahead, let's get this onto our cast iron griddle. Gonna get our top tortilla on, press down, and on top here I want to sprinkle a little bit of hot sauce. I'm using some Tapatio. We're gonna let all that cheese start to melt, everything start to come together here. Give this a good little press down again here. Let's go ahead and give this a turn. Want to put a little bit of that Tapatio on this side too. All right, let's give it a turn back to the original side. It's looking good, smelling great. All right, I think we're ready to get this off here. Cut it up, have a taste. All right, here it is, our grilled carne asada quesadilla. Got a little bit of a scorch mark there. Get that off. Let's cut into this. Crispy crunch from that tortilla on the top and the bottom. Nice. Oh, look at that. This is a gooey, cheesy treat. Look at that. I'm not even gonna wait. It's time to taste. So let's see if I can get into this without burning my mouth completely. Here we go. That is so good. You know, it's actually 10 in the morning right now. This is a great breakfast, sort of brunch thing. Is there cheese on my face? Just so yummy. This is such a great thing to prepare on the grill, whether it's gas or charcoal. And you cannot beat that cast iron crispiness you get on something like these tortillas. So carne asada is not just for tacos or burritos or eating off a plate. It goes really good in a quesadilla with some great cheese, some peppers, some salsa, some refried beans if you like that, and I do. This is just a really good meal.